Steve Light J.Racenstein 3-star Purple Magic metal cleaner. And this was developed in association with the cladding industry for buildings to be directly used on aluminum and Alucobond type panels, and it's rated for that. So, Kynar, Alucobond finishes are those panel gap finishes on the building that can get dirty and might be difficult to clean and are expensive, so it's nice to have a rated product to be able to clean it. It does well. It's rated as a multi-purpose cleaner. The intention is to be able to go after those panels. So it's got 30 to 1, 15 to 1 for its mix. And so it goes a really long way from that standpoint. And it's a wonderful Alucobond cleaning aluminum metal cleaner designed for that task. Great results in the field.